Breeding cattle efficiently is a challenge faced by all dairy and beef producers, even the very best. In reality, cows don't always get pregnant in the time frame when you want them pregnant. Now there's a new tool to help you enhance your breeding program, a tool that delivers tighter estrus synchronization, induction of estrus in anestrus animals, and ultimately more profit for your bottom line. The tool is the EasyBreed CIDR intravaginal progesterone insert. It's often called the EasyBreed CIDR insert, or in some countries, simply the CIDR insert. Used with Lutelyse sterile solution, the EasyBreed CIDR insert helps provide precise control of the bovine estrus cycle, allowing you to breed more cattle in less time. It produces tighter estrus synchronization of animals in a group, improving heat detection and accuracy of artificial insemination. Up to 80% of anestrus animals also can be induced to cycle using the EasyBreed CIDR insert. More efficient use of fixed-time insemination is another benefit. And the EasyBreed CIDR insert can also be used with planned natural mating, as well as embryo collection and transfer programs. Here's how the EasyBreed CIDR insert works with the bovine reproductive cycle. In a normal estrus cycle, progesterone is highest in the diestrus phase, when the corpus luteum on the ovary secretes progesterone. High progesterone prevents estrus in ovulation and provides negative feedback on the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, which encourages cyclicity. Follicle-stimulating hormone causes follicles to begin development. When progesterone levels begin to drop, luteinizing hormone is released from the anterior pituitary gland, allowing the dominant follicle to continue developing to maturity. Then the cow displays signs of estrus, and the dominant follicle ovulates and releases an egg. Unfortunately, it takes a while for many cows to return to this normal estrus pattern after calving, because they are lactating and often in negative energy balance. This period of persistently low progesterone usually is the time when most producers want to rebreed for good reproductive efficiency. Inserting the EasyBreed CIDR insert into the vagina starts the release of natural progesterone from the insert, which is absorbed from the vagina into the bloodstream. When the EasyBreed CIDR insert is removed, the progesterone level drops just as it does in an estrus cycle, and ovulation follows in a high percentage of animals. The EasyBreed CIDR insert essentially provides the jump start, which helps some anestrus cows initiate cyclicity. If the animals are cycling normally, using the EasyBreed CIDR insert will also provide the benefit of more tightly synchronized heats, making estrus detection and breeding more efficient. An injection of Lutelyse prior to removal of the EasyBreed CIDR insert makes the process more precise by causing regression of the corpus luteum. This will cause more animals to come into heat in a tightly synchronized window. You can breed based on detected estrus, which will occur in most animals 2 to 4 days after removal of the EasyBreed CIDR insert. The EasyBreed CIDR insert is simple to use. University of Illinois Extension dairy veterinarian Richard Wallace demonstrates how to administer the EasyBreed CIDR insert for optimal results.
Before we use the EasyBreed CIDR insert, we need to gather a few supplies. We need some clean water with disinfectant so that we can clean the applicator between cows. We also need some lubricant to aid the insertion process, a pair of wire cutters to remove the tail of the CIDR insert after it's been placed. Anybody handling progesterone CIDRs should wear protective gloves. Now let's demonstrate how to load and administer the EasyBreed CIDR insert. First, we need to disinfect the applicator. Then remove a CIDR insert from the bag. Insert the device into the applicator with the tail of the CIDR curling up. Advance it until you hit the wings. Squeeze the two wings together, fold them so you can advance them into the applicator until about 1 inch shows at the end. Then we apply some lubricant. When you insert the applicator, move the heifer's tail to the side, and with a dry paper towel, wipe the lips of the vulva. When placing the insert, we want to place it so the tail is down. So as we advance the applicator, we want the tail to be facing the ground. Start the insert in a slightly upward angle. Advance it forward and up and over the pelvic bone until you meet resistance or you're at the end of the applicator. This is very similar to passing an AI gun. To eject the CIDR then, depress the plunger while placing forward pressure on the applicator. This will make sure that it stays in place and you don't pull it out as you're pulling the applicator out. Next, we need to clip the tail. Notice how the tail is facing down based on the way we place the insert. You want to remove enough tail so the pen mates won't pull out the additional tail that's hanging there. Clip it long enough so you can remove the CIDR when it's appropriate time. You may see a little straining or arched back with the tail out until the heifer gets used to the CIDR placement. After 7 days, the CIDR insert can be removed. To remove the insert, locate the tail of the CIDR within the vulva. If you don't see the tail at first, explore the vaginal area. At times, the CIDR can twist within the vagina, and it takes a little while to find the tail. Once the CIDR is removed, it will be contaminated with bacteria. Dispose of the spent CIDR appropriately in a sealed plastic container.
Breeding programs using the Easy Breed CIDR insert produce a number of benefits to cattle producers. First, more animals come into heat in a narrower window, so you can breed more cattle in less time. Tighter estrus synchronization makes the breeding process more efficient, and using the Easy Breed CIDR insert can help induce estrus in anestrus animals. To learn more about the Easy Breed CIDR insert, see your veterinarian or artificial insemination professional, or visit the CIDR website at either www.easybreedcedar.com or www.cedar.com. Using the Easy Breed CIDR insert with little ice in a planned breeding program, you can achieve better estrus synchronization, earlier pregnancies, more pregnant animals, and more profitability for your herd.